Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanya to Guide. So there is a playlist in our channel, so please check it. Python tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to check greatest among three numbers. For suppose, let us take our first number, second number and third number and let's conclude it. Okay, so there is a number called first number which is equals to 79 and I'll just copy this. Second number equals to some 68 and third number equals to 22. Okay, so these are the three different numbers. Now out of all these numbers, if you look at the numbers directly, you can say that 79 is the greatest number among all these three. Now using a program, you're going to find out which number is greater. Now see, the result also I will be writing result is equals to 68. So now how you'll get 68? Based on what condition you'll be getting 68? Let us check in our program. Now see, A is equals to input, enter first number. Okay. So enter, sorry, I'll be writing in small letters so that it would be very, it looks nice. Enter first number and put it a column. This column is also, it's not mandatory, it's only for your convenience. If you feel like to look the program in a good approach or in a proper way of understanding and everything, you have to write it. Now here I am mentioning int. Okay, so int of input, enter the first number. Now I'll be copying this line number 8 and I'll be posting in line number 9, line number 10 also. Now let's change the values a, b, and also the other variable name is c. Okay, instead of this first and all that, let's change it to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, first and this is as second. Now the last one is third. Okay, so here you're having three different kind of numbers. So using conditional statements, you have to mention the conditions. Okay, now just give a try what conditions are really required to write this. Okay, so here if a greater than b, okay, and operator, if both the statements are true, then only it will be possible to work on it. If a greater than b, that is nothing but 79 which is greater than 68, it is true, and also 79 which is greater than 22 also. So here you can directly write max equals to a, and if you want you can write a colon also. Okay, semicolon, sorry. So now elif, okay, because you are writing one more condition. If b greater than a and b greater than c. Okay, so now see here, the value of b is 68 which is greater than a. Is it true? So it is false statement. Okay, because the value of b is not greater and the statement is not at all becoming true. So max is equals to b and put a semicolon. Now see, I'll be writing one more condition also. If you want, you can write one more, or else directly you can mention else. Okay, else max is equals to c by default. Now let us write one more statement, that is nothing but print statement. Okay, so here I was mentioning print maximum number colon, separate that with a comma. Here you have to mention max. Okay, so now let's run the program. Enter first number. So it's not really mandatory to enter the above numbers, but I was just entering the same above numbers because I gave that only. 79. Enter second number. I'll be entering 68. Now entering 22. So what will happen here is a maximum number, it will be showing 79. Okay, so in this conditional statements, the thing is if a greater than b, right? So 79 which is greater than 68 and also 79 is greater than 22. Okay, so the first condition is true here itself, so it will not go to the next statement. Okay, so here this will be only executed. Okay, so here max is equals to a, and that will be storing in that max value. Okay, now the value of max is 79, and it will come to the 21 line and print maximum number. There it will check it and it will print the 79 number. Now let us run it one more time. Now see here, I'll be running it. This is a bit slow. Just a second. So I'll be running once again. Now see here, I'll just change the values and everything, and let's see how these values will be working. Just hold on for a minute. This is very slow. See, I'll be running once again. So if you enter your first number as 56 and the second number as 69 and the third number as 23. Now see, the maximum number is second number. So now here what is happening? Let's check it. Now see, the first condition 59 is greater than B. 59 is greater than B. Is it true? The first condition itself is false. So if the condition is false, then it will go to the next elif condition. Okay, if it is true, it will stop, terminate or stop there itself. If it is false only, it will move to the next condition. That is nothing but our line number 15. Okay, so here what is happening? The value of B is 69. So 69 is greater than 56. Okay, and 69 is greater than 23. So both the conditions are true. That is the reason it will be storing this max is equals to B. The value of max is now 69. Now it will come to the line number 21 and it will show the output. That is nothing but here 69. Okay, now you try it among yourself. What should we do to get the last number? That is nothing but max is equals to C. Okay, so let's run it one more time. See, I was running 3 different times because initially I have mentioned 79 or 72 so that the first number is greater. Later I have changed the second number is greater. Now I was giving some different values, 11, and the last number is 888. Okay, so by defaultly 888 is greater number. So why? Because you have seen these two numbers are not greater. So the first condition is false. The next condition is also false. So by defaultly the else will be becoming true and it will be storing this maximum value. So this is how you have to write a program. Okay, so students will be getting more doubts. Now instead of this max a equals to a, can I write a print statement? There will be most of the students asking these kind of questions. So you can write print statements also over there that the first number is greater, or you can mention the value also. So that is also one way of writing a program. So here you can write print the first number is greater. Okay. And if you want the value, so put it as A. Okay. So that you will be getting the value also. Fine. So let us write 56, 33, 12. See, the first number is greater, 56. Maximum number is 888. Okay. So this max is maximum number. If you put hash or anything, it is storing the previous value actually. Okay. That is a problem with this Google Colab actually. Okay. So here what is happening is the maximum number is 56. Okay. So put it hash for this number, print maximum number is, so that you can run the same program and you can check it. Now see, the first number is greater 56. Okay. So instead of this max is equals to A, B or anything, you can put the print statements also. So by these two ways of writing a program I have explained. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for further updates. Thank you.